Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can remove a Google account from your Google Photos on iPhone. You just need to remember this. If you remove your Google account from your Google Photo, it's also going to be removed from every single other app which requires Google on your device. So if you're okay with that, then follow the step. You want to open up your Google Photos, and from your Google Photos, you want to click on your Google's profile picture at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, right beside your Google's name is going to be a drop down arrow. So in my case, right beside Want to Step, you can see an arrow pointing at the bottom. I need to click on that. You guys also click on the arrow right beside your name, and over here at the bottom, you can see the option called Manage Account on this device. You want to click on the option. From over here, it's going to show you all the Google account which is currently logged in on your device. And right below your Google account's name, it's going to show you remove from device. So you want to choose which Google account you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove Want to Step. I need to click on remove this device right below Want to Step, and Want to Step Gmail will be removed from my device. Once it's removed from my device, it's going to be unlinked from my Google Photo. So that's how you guys can remove Google account from your Google Photos on an iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel Want to Step. I'll see you guys next time.